Hello, Dr. Tosis.
Why, hello, Oprah.
Dr. Tosis is here today to tell us about mitosis and meiosis.
Yes, to start, mitosis takes 7 steps for a cell to divide. Meanwhile, meiosis is 14 steps.
They all have different names, correct?
Yes, they both start with interphase, when chromosomes replicate and each strand unzips into 2 strands.
I believe prophase is next.
Yes, during the prophase step, chromosomes begin to condense, taking on the form that they are usually depicted in. Each copy is called a chromatide. The only difference with mitosis and meiosis in this stage is that in meiosis the chromosomes attach to the membrane of the nucleus and pair up with their corresponding chromosomes.
I'm pretty sure the next 2 are prometaphase and metaphase, in which the spindle fibers attach to each of the chromosomes and then line up on the metaphase plate and divides the cell in 2.
Yes, good job, Oprah.
Thank you, Dr. Tosis. Anyways, the next step is anaphase. This is where meiosis and mitosis go in different directions.
Yes, in anaphase the fibers pull the chromatids toward opposite ends of the cell. As for meiosis, chromosome pairs separate in half, some going one direction, the others going the other way.
Oh, that is very interesting.
Yes, and next is telophase. In this step, meiosis and mitosis do the same thing. The chromosomes arrive at opposite ends of the cell and new nuclear membranes form.
The last step is cytokinesis.
This is where the rest of the cell divides, and the division of the cell's cytoplasm is complete.
This is where mitosis ends, but there are 7 more steps for meiosis, correct?
Yes, after the cytokinesis step, meiosis continues with interphase 2, so it keeps going with the steps we have just done. Meiosis just does them twice.
Well, thank you for joining us today, Dr. Tosis. I have learned so much about meiosis and mitosis.
No, thank you, Oprah, for having me on your show.
Okay, well, after the break we have 10 ways to go from 600 pounds to 200 in 3 weeks. Also, we have a special guest. So stay with us.